I should have been. Yeah, drama was school.
Right, so we see more cover beyond from Ghana and Sam TV. So, it am just so any promise. And okay, say the next neighbor, Obekaya, sa video yi. Ah, naturally say, okay, say the tia, a minister for health. Me no okay say the ne two entry. Me no okay say nkata ten be aba ne busuya ko tie nsam ne mo ba ne wi a. E be de hunko. Ebusuya asemaba. Ye nwa ba nurse we. Me no okay say the ya nhwa ne ho betimi a kire no. Me no okay say the Ghana Health Service, a year District Hospital, PO Box 37, I in Ken Castle in the Ashanti region. Action, Kata Tintin, and a comma a year girl way say. On bet the DNTR, in this we institute a disciplinary action against her. Now let her know, a dated a 10th of October 2025. I had Friday a term. Now let her know, I say, query letter to a Mrs. Benes Abuaji staff, a NSA or employee number no, a 14. Now, we read or say, this office has observed that you have been captured in videos circulating in social media using unprintable, inappropriate, and scandalous words on the Honorable Minister of Health. Okankwa or say, following the circulation of these audios, this office has been since received several calls from well-meaning Ghanaians registering their misgivings and reservations about the content of the videos. Or say, we also have information that these videos are discussed on various social media platforms with people making all manner of disparaging comments about the service. Okanya or say, please find a attached copy of the videos under reference for your review, perusal and necessary actions. Or say, based on the above, can you explain why disciplinary actions should not be instituted against you? For 1, use of unacceptable and inappropriate word resulting in a rude behavior towards the Honorable Minister of Health, contrary to Section 8, 1E of the Code of Conduct and Disciplinary Procedures. 2, use of abusive on the Honorable Minister of Health, contrary to Section 8(1)(I) of the Code of Conduct and Disciplinary Procedures. And 3, tarnishing the corporate image of the service and bringing the name of the service into dispute, contrary to Section 4(1)(d) of the Code of Conduct and Disciplinary Procedure. You are required to submit your response to the query to this office by 24th of October 2025. Thank you, Dr. Samuel Freeman Mensah, Medical Superintendent. And I just say, and I just much say, Ombra no ombre the NTR. And this is institute a disciplinary actions against her with regards to a year we are based on the year we are ombre the NTR. And this is institute a disciplinary actions against her. To wait a letter a film Ghana a year health service a year hospital and it's again a year tomorrow how much the sebusunya ababeta bontia aya awrawo se match say and this abano per se omo actually again ma fees and so omo se wakasa etia a year the Minister of Health a year Mintah Akandoh then and I'll join for aya some Ghana health service that babu to jana ho ujidi say girl no a year nsem bia no kan nsem bia e quote here the code of conduct any I can't say Emma Mojuma here as nurses nana. I mean, I didn't share our comment section meeting at the prompts. So basically, I knew say this was going to happen. Yes, that means say BBC everybody. It's answer after sending video no every and in some man for Kana. That means say BBC no everything yaba. Now if some yan share the be. One say Ghana hani e wono. Obi ekasa no kremua. Sani pano yempenasem, but enye sao. It depend your tone. Any sani ye oyeden. Usi ede kasano. Eno ena man for beshe ede ajeji. From the girl's video, any in someone can you know, in kawan kamboni. Yes, because how can you be working for 10 months without pay? So basically, no, one can boni. But Ghana ne yewono Ghana ene yewono One shall be cast no. No be atchu one waka kusi boni. Yes. No be atchu one waka kusi boni. But in this girl's video, assemble a pound or kai. Yinko tia asem no kai na kasambra ni ria. Ibede hunko.
Some to abama kwabra NDC anasa kwabra Mintah Akandoh. Me pay adwuma ma no. Ma pay adwuma ma so be pay adwuma ma me. What is my crime? Did I commit any crime by giving you a job opportunity? So why won't you do it to me as I did unto you? Why won't you do it? Why won't you do it unto me as I did unto you? Yama weduma, brother my juma, obeka brofo achire, ashada be yesi. Yen nyina drama was school to do abaya ya no. Minim pasa ya drama. Minim pasa where ya drama no abaya ya. Mashada kunchire brofo agu ho. O machiro mo brofo mbeka achire ya no. Ato ho. Eti ya ko ya no. Deputy minister e finance no. The brofo ka achire teacher for na no no. That year for no. Enu anu aka achire.
Ebusuya otin someone no dey to dua na kire say minister no or be sure atama no school mo no na kire say but the thing that she said no emodu, yes, that is the truth. Emodu emuyedu papa and it's not only the minister oh, it's not only the minister, even the MP for Bantima, former Rose minister okasa the same thing. The final former minister ko be kasa no the Okafa no no credit and all those stuffs. But basically, no, this is how everything happens. Yes. Say in a BBSC. So you should be very mindful of your words, whatever you now work on. Be very, very mindful. Because you don't know who is watching and who is listening to whatever you are saying. And we are in the era of social media whereby information runs very fast. It's all can be beer. You should be mindful of whatever you're saying. What do I say? This is where we are today. But I'm also thinking, say the minister, this thing is not an issue. Bro, this is not an issue. Pay them. That is the main important thing you should be doing. Finding a way to pay them. Yes. That is the most important thing now. As a minister, it should be your number one priority by now. What do I say? Finding a way to get money to pay them. That should be your number one priority. Not this. This is not important, bro. I'm telling you. This is not important. So find a way and get money and pay the girl for her to be okay. And stop harassing these people. Stop threatening these people. Make them feel comfortable. No money ejuma no. Now you say record hospital I'm with me then. I'm with me about share. That's the honest truth. That is the only thing they need now. Money. They need to eat. They need to make calls. They bear call now. They need to buy data. Bro, what is happening is not fair. What is happening? It's not fair. But that's the country we are living in. And who are you going to blame? Who are you going to blame? The minister or who? I think the minister is the problem. The minister and the government is trying to frustrate this girl's career and everything. They are trying to frustrate her life. That's what they are trying to do. But I'm very certain that everything will be okay very soon. How you gonna send TV? I'm just so. Any promise.